Here's a cold front coming through right now, bringing some showers, Burlington, Vermont, maybe even a couple of rumbles of thunder up towards Ottawa. That's not going to impact us, though. I will show you what that does in a second. We are focusing in on this two different pieces of energy, one over the northern tier of the U.S., northern plains there up in the southern tier of Canada, and another kind of over the Midwest here down to the heartland. Those are two pieces of energy coming together to make a new storm, and we'll track that in a second. Let's show you this cold front here. Innocently enough, it comes through here without clouds or showers. That's an extreme northern New England event. We had a beautiful day here. High pressure down over the southeastern United States, just giving us lots of sunshine. We'll have another weak area of high pressure that also gives us plenty of sun. And again, that front doesn't come through, but it does kick up the wind. Now you've got high and low pressure pretty close together, so that'll tighten up those isobars and kick in that nice breeze. It'll be mostly a west-northwest wind, so it should be on the warmer side of winds, especially the more due westerly we go here. But quickly, the warm weather will recede as that new storm system moves in. First, we get the warm front out of this. That's going to bring showers, but warm fronts can be really tough in the temperature department as well. Take a look here as we fast forward in time into midday, into the early afternoon hours on Sunday. Depending on where this front is situated, you could be talking about temperatures in the 40s and 50s on this side, and then into the 60s, even pushing 70 the further south you get kind of off the map here. But just an immensely large range of temperatures that could be expected, but this front will be the monkey wrench in the middle there. So I would not be surprised most of the day to be on the colder side of this and have those temperatures struggling to get to 60 degrees. Now the front will push north, and of course there are showers and clouds along with it. It's not a washout, but certainly not going to be the greatest day out there. So the front will push north Sunday night. That'll allow us to tap into some of the milder air into the warm sector, we'll call it, of the storm system. But that means that the cold front has to then come through, and that will be sometime during the day on Monday, Columbus Day. There will also be a thunderstorm component with this. There could be some boomers out there and some downpours, so we will watch for that. And behind this whole system, you kind of see up here into upstate New York, up towards the Great Lakes. Yeah, it's not just rain up that way. It is some snow mixed in, a little wintry mixing going on, and that is because we've got some real bitter air coming in behind this. It doesn't really catch up with us until the midweek. Look at these overnight lows down into the 30s. Mid-30s is when we start talking about widespread frost. We had a taste of it early this morning. Not everybody saw it, but there were reports out there. And again, the temperatures got even a little bit colder. For that reason, we did see some frost. This is going to be likely our first widespread frost of the season. So if you have any sensitive plants, don't be fooled by the warm temperatures to start off your weekend. Be prepared for those 30s to be coming in next week. And a real chill. Again, not nearly as cold as it was last night when we were down in the 40s and upper 30s. 54 here in the city tonight. Clear skies. Those will continue into tomorrow. 71 degrees thereabouts here in Providence and elsewhere. And we could max out around 72 at some point during the day. And those temperatures quickly fading away. 60 on Sunday. Cool, cloudy with showers. Monday, more of the same. A little bump in temperatures. Watch for a thunderstorm, and then we'll clear things out and dry weather for the rest of the week, but very, very chilly Tuesday into Wednesday. A little bit of a moderation for Thursday and Friday. And again, bundle up at night. We'll need some heat, I think, across the region.